Hi guys, check her out. Look how cute she is. Oh, hey, hey ma'am, hey ma'am. Oh, you don't like the color of my nails? Hey guys, we have a maltipoo and a poodle. Just a regular poodle right here. She's a cutie, and a maltipoo. Hey.
Contract already too. She said she saw that I left it up there, so she took and had submitted it.
They are so cute.
So all that, she sent them.
I wish I could take all you guys home. I'm a dog lover, but Romanian girl cannot do it. You guys, if you like these two little cuties here, the maltipoo and the poodle, they're at Puppy Galore in Orange Park. Come scoop them up. They're cute. Look at them. Say hey. Hi. Bye. Bye. They're adorable.